So let us explain what this intercept value actually means. So within our linear regression, we can get this intercept value from the model. So the way that you get this value is by using the model intercept. So here we're accessing this property of the model, and this model has been created up here. So you can see where we create the model is we create an instance of the linear regression class, and then we train our model by using the fit method. And once we've done that, basically your model then automatically has these variables populated within it. So these properties could be accessed. So intercept in this instance is 79. So why is this 79 and what does it actually mean? It means for our houses that we predicted the house price for. So for example, this is the size of the houses in our data set that we had, and these are the prices. So the first one, 650, is the size, and the price of the house is 200. So these are in square feet. So the bigger the house, the higher the price. So these are the past prices. So what happens is when the model is built, it is basically predicting this red line. So the blue points are your training data set, as I showed you above. So those are sizes and prices. And we kept two values in green to test our model, but they are actually from the data that we have here. So again, randomly selected as per my previous explanations. So what we do is we are predicting basically the formula for this line. And if a house is where, we have to predict based on the size of the house for the prices that we could get. So you could end up with a house that is 0. So when it's 0, then that's what the intercept value actually means. So here we have an intercept value of 79. So if we use the model to predict a house price, so we have 1000 here square feet, but what if we said don't predict it for a house that is 1000 square feet, predict it for a house that is 0 square feet. So if we do that and run this model, what we'll see is the predicted house price is 79. Why do we get the 79? But if you look at the intercept, that's also 79, and then this has been rounded. But if you look at that 68, that rounded one up, now we're taking to 69, so 79.69. So that's why the intercept value is used, because that is your base figure. So if you have a house that is, for example, 1, then, or in this instance 0, it always has to start somewhere. So the minimum price is $79,000, and that's your starter price there.